You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it's a bit confusing, so let's clarify the pronunciation, or pronunciations I should say. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. You need to listen to yawning is the British English pronunciation. Yawning. Yawning. Stress on the first syllable. Now the Americans usually, the American English US pronunciation is more as yawning, alright? It's a bit more open R sound, which is quite common. Many words in American English have this R sound. So yawning, very O sound in British English, yawning, or yawning in the US. And now you know. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.